Okay, so how to connect Namecheap domain to Shopify first. Let's head over to Namecheap, and here let's enter the domain we want. Now I'm gonna write here how to start connect domain test video. Then let's click on search, and here we can find a very cheap one if is like this XYZ, and this is great for wherever, maybe even if our website. No, but it's better if you actually buy .com, because it's just people are more familiar with .com, and wouldn't say it shows more professionalism, but it can show more just automatically, believe, more, it's more trust. This looks like spammy, and it looks more trustworthy, or yeah. Anyways, now I'm gonna go and add this to cards, and then I'll go to checkout, and then I don't have any promo code here. I'll check 1 year. I don't want domain privacy. Actually, we can domain privacy, whatever, but that's pretty much it. Now you can also check this domain DNS or stellar, whatever, but that's auto renew. I don't want to auto renew. Just let's click confirm order. And now I'll just have to add my card details, and after that simply just click on continue. So I'm just gonna do just that. Now this is what you're going to see, and then that's pretty much it. Now I have the domain here, and I'm just gonna click on manage right over here. And then here what you're gonna have to do is to click on advanced DNS. Click on advanced DNS, and then here we have here we're gonna have to look for this one here. So we don't need this, so I'm gonna delete this from here, and then I'm gonna add a new record. Very easy. We need this one here, CN, and here type www, and then here, so CNAME record www, and here we're gonna have to type shops.myshopify.com, and then here we can leave as automatic and just click on this save changes. Very easy. Now we're gonna have to add another new record, and then here we're gonna have to select now a record, and then type this one here, and then we need to type this number, which is the Shopify IP dot 386.65. All right, and then we need to check this, and then we're gonna have to go to Shopify, and then here we're gonna have to go to settings. Okay, so just click on settings. Then here select your domain. I mean select domain, not your domain. Then here click on connect existing domain. Then we're gonna have to go back, and then here we're gonna have to copy this domain we just created, and now we're gonna have to paste this domain here, and then click on next. Your domain must include a valid, okay, my bad. Okay, and now we see our domain here. We're gonna have to click on verify. We're gonna have to verify our domain now. Okay, and SSL pending. Now we just have to wait for this domain to be confirmed. That usually takes some time. So that's what you have to do now, pretty much to wait. In some cases, will get verified much quickly, so it just depends. Now, if we want this domain to become the primary domain, what we're gonna have to do here is to click on domain we just connected. And then here we're gonna have to click on change domain type, and then here select primary domain current, which is already is. And now here for this one, redirecting domain, which is fine. So yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.